I've got some Easter eggs from the local dollar store here by me, and I'm going to try to make an Easter wreath out of them. So let's get started and see how it works out. Here we go. Okay, what we're going to be making is an Easter bunny door decoration. So I'm just using hot glue for this base layer. Right now I'm working on the head. Once we get this completed, then we'll make a bigger circle for the body, doing the same thing. Now, after we get done and pick off the extra strings of glue, we're going to make a couple extra rounds of glue to make it a little sturdier. And eventually we're going to turn it over and add really thick glue on the back. Now I'm working on the ears here. It's just 5 eggs for the size I'm making. There's 2 ears. So now I have these little flowers, and since I had so much glue to make it sturdy, I decided to put the flowers in between to cover up that glue. So I'm doing the same thing to the body and to the head. Then I'm connecting it together. And I'm going to have a big glob of glue, but I'm going to put a big bow across there so it won't matter. Now I'm just going to attach the ears here and then add some flowers to cover up where they are attached. After looking at it, I didn't like the ears close together, so moved them apart. Okay, after you connect all 3 together, then I still need to go along and pick up the, the glue strings, but it's very sturdy now that I've added the extra glue on the back, and then I added a double bow. I just tied one bow and then put a little bow on top of it. And there it is. You have a door decoration for Easter. So, time to get cracking. Get yourself some eggs. I think the flowers were not necessary. If you have the clear glue gun, because my sticks are old and yellow. I'm almost through with them. I'm almost out of them. But if you had clear glue and you took your time and made it really thin on the front and just really thicken it up on the back to hold it together. But since mine was so crazy, I added the flowers, and I really like the flowers on it. But anyway, it'll give you some inspiration to get started. So see you on the next one. Bye.